We know that we have already learned, our day-to-day life problems. You can represent them in linear equations and solve those linear equations, get the required quantities, whatever is asking. So there is a simple question for you guys. Represent this problem into linear equations in two variables and let me know what are the answers are. What is asking? Samay is older than Samit by 30 years. After 5 years, Samay will be thrice as old as Samit. Find the present ages of Samay and Samit. It's a simple question. I'm sure you guys can easily solve this. So I want the answers. Come on, guys. I'm sure you guys can easily solve. It's a simple question. You can easily represent them because we have already learned how to represent the daily life problems in terms of the linear equations in two variables. You can easily represent and tell me, represent this in linear equations in two variables and tell me what is the present ages of Samay and Samit. What is the age of Samay? What is the age of Samay? How will you solve this? How will you represent this in linear equations in two variables? Let's understand that. What do you do it? Let the present age of Samay be some x and let the present age of Samit be y. Let us assume the present age of Samay be x and the present age of Samit be y. Now, according to first condition, what is first condition? What is given? Samay is older than Samit by 30 years. Samay is older than Samit by 30 years. Is that? Therefore, your x is y plus 30, obviously. Sir, no. Samay is 30 years older than Samit. So if the Samit age is y, at 30, that will be the age of the Samay. Therefore, what is the equation you'll get? You'll take all these values on the left hand side. It becomes x minus y minus 30 is equal to 0. Or rather, you can write like this also. X minus y equal to 30. Done. This is your first condition. Now, what is the second condition? After 5 years, Samay will be thrice as old as Samit. Let's represent that. According to second condition, Samay age after 5 years is obviously x plus 5. Samit age after 5 years is y plus 5. Yes or no? After 5 years. What is saying after 5 years? Samay will be thrice as old as Samit. Given Samay is 3 times as old as Samit. Therefore, how will you write this? Your x plus y is nothing but 3 times y plus 5. Done. Let's multiply x plus y is equal to 3y plus 3 5s 15. Take it 3y on the LHS, 5 on the RHS. Therefore, your x minus 3y equal to 10 is another equation you get. So what do you do? Solve these equations. Solving equations. What do you get? Your first equation, x minus y equal to 30. Second equation, x minus 3y equal to 10. You can easily eliminate what you call x there. Is that? So let's solve that. What do? You subtract x. You have minus 3y, it becomes plus 10, it becomes minus. Clearly your x gets cancelled. So what do you have? You have minus y plus 3y. Minus y plus 3y is 2y. 30 minus 10 is 20. Therefore, y is nothing but 20 by 2 is 10. Simple. Is that? Now substitute in first equation. This is your, let's say, 2. This is your 1. What is that? X minus y equal to 30. Substitute this. Your y is nothing but 10. It's 30. So obviously, what is x? 30 plus 10. It's 40. Simple question. That's how you properly represent, the given equation into system of equations or linear equations in two variables. I'm sure. Right. Guys, can you hear me?